How to log into your Amazon Prime Video. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Amazon Prime Video. So first thing first, simply head over to your any of your browser, and once you are inside your browser, just search in for the Prime Video login, and you'll be seeing this first website, which is the official Prime Video website. And once you click on it, you'll be heading over to this page. So let me just show you. And once you're inside here, simply you can either start a free trial, which is a USD 5.99 per month, or you can also simply sign in from over here. So just click on it, and once you do that, you will be heading over to this screen. If you already have an existing account, you can simply log in from over here. If you want to create your new account, you can also create it from by clicking on this button over here. So what we want to do to log in is you just have to enter your email or mobile phone number which you use to register on your Prime Video. So let me just enter it. Once you enter your registered email or phone number, simply click on continue from over here and just enter your password from over here and hit the sign in button, and it will send you a verification code to a particular Gmail. So just check it out. And once you enter your code, simply hit the submit code button and wait for some time for it to process it. And just like that, you'll have successfully logged into your official Prime Video account. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.